A bomb explosion occurred in Zamfara State. Many people are leaving their villages. My people, watch this video until the end.
Nigerians, another bomb blast. Another bomb blast. They just bombed Zamfara State right now. The Islamic jihadis, terrorists, just bombed Zamfara State right now. Today's date is 27 December 2025. You know the story. Even they hide them and they bring them out. Now the first video be this coming out from Zamfara State. The place they bomb is Dance Hadu Magami. This is the villagers running for their life. Then they run. So now these people don't add bombing to our problem. The Islamic jihadist terrorists have added bombing to our problem. They don't bomb our villages now. They are now using bomb on us. We need help. Take it or leave it. We need help. We are in deep shit for it. We're there for deep shit for this country. See the villagers. This is soldier escorting them out of their own village or their own village. Now they got to run for their life. If you want to stay alive, you run. Run to where? I don't know. I don't know where you go to. Even they hide them and they bring them out. Are they active?
Inna ilaihi raji'un. Jama'a kawo mu hanyar dan sadau dauki. Ga balawo anan sun faru. Sun samu na bam ga hanya. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Jama'a ku dibi al'ummar da sama. Ku diba ku gani. Jama'a a taimaka a kawo dauki. A kawo dauki jama'a, a kawo dauki barayi sama hanya. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Kai, wani baki ta bare ko? Ku tsaya na wurin wuce layi. Jama'a Allah ya kawo mana dauki. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Ya kai. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Ga jahili nan shi ma yana kuka. Wallahi barayi ne fada ake da shi. Tanka biyu ce ga guda can sama. Wallahi tanka biyu ce kaga guda can sama. Ga guda ga can suna fada hawa ka gani. Idan hawa ka gani ka alhaji. Kaga ta can. Ka gani? Bam ne sun kasa. Ga guda